Okay, so we got the forks cleaned up. They weren't really too like rusty or crusty or nothing. They were more so just dirty. The fork boots, those were kind of crusty, and you see we got new blue ones, from black to blue, and we got some fork decals. But these cleaned up real nice. Just more signs that this bike wasn't really like too abused too much. Just like, look at that, it's just really good condition, just really nice. So anyway, I decided I wanted like some fork decals, kind of like, you know, the newer bikes with the newer forks and stuff like that. But run into a little problem. I just kind of bought these on a whim. And they don't really fit. As you can see, these forks don't really have a lot of smooth part. One, they're skinny little forks, and you know, they got a lot going on with the little brackets and stuff. The little, you know, whatever this is, what it's for, I don't know. Maybe you go against the wheel or something, I don't know. But that was smooth, that'll be a lot better. That's the only one blocking that one. But so my idea is basically to separate these. It's like I had to choose one, and I think I'm choosing a blue. So I'm gonna try to use my little cutter right here to get a good solid, you know, straight cut, and cut, you know, around the shower. The lengthwise should be good, but I'm probably still gonna cut it down some. But you know, we're gonna separate the factory connection. Might use that somewhere else on the bike, maybe the front fender or something, I don't know. Or maybe later I might switch to the factory connection, we'll see. But yeah, I want to go with the blue because the fork is gonna be blue. Some other components gonna be blue, we'll see. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's try to get these forks situated. Let's do it. First custom piece for the bike. Everything we done bought has been OEM or something you can buy. First custom piece. Only thing custom I've ever had before this is the XR100 bar pad that was only $30. But man, dropping it low. Bro, I can already see I ain't even. Let's get her open before my battery died. Custom patch, name of the bike. Her name is Leela. Another custom patch up front, Speed Ranger. It's my logo, brand. That's me, don't steal it. It's copyrighted, but damn. There it is. It's time to get it on the bike. Oh, get it on the seat. So we still got a ways to go for what's going on the bike. But here we are. Here we are with the exhaust and a bunch of other dirty, rusty, crusty parts here. No good at all. Exhaust is just, well, mainly the header part. The muffler end is not too bad. This heat shield, I'm surprisingly, is in really good condition. Has this little minor bend right there, the little dent. But other than that, clean her up, get her repainted, get all the old paint off. Give all these parts a vinegar bath. And my new thing that I've learned that is really the best cleaner: hot vinegar and dish soap. Boil your vinegar, add some dish soap, much as you want, and boy, it gets stuff even cleaner than the vinegar itself, of course, but I don't know what's going on, but I don't know. It's the new trick to get my parts super clean and stripped of rust. So watch this transformation, it's coming. So before we even do the rust removal, I want to try to get this exhaust cleaned up a little bit. So we gonna spray it with some of this good paint varnish stripper. Let it sit for about an hour, it says, and see how good it works. Let's do it. Got the exhaust over here soaking in the paint stripper. Heat shield and the foot peg mounts, and then we got our parts and the slow cookers. Like I said, the vinegar and the dish soap. I didn't boil it this time, but it's alright. The hot, I don't know, just something about the heat that just takes more shit off and cleans it like shiny. I don't know. But this still does good, so we ain't gonna boil it this time. looking good. I did do some sanding before. I'm glad I did. It probably turned out way better than without it. But automotive touch-up paint, Rust-Oleum, is pretty damn nice. We'll see how it holds up. Contemplating whether I want to put a clear coat on it or not. Probably ain't gonna be able to see this side because of the shade, and yeah, don't like that angle, autofocus or auto light, whatever, but yeah, it's icy. So we got some swing arm graphics that we gonna put on there too. To clear coat or to not clear coat. I don't know when I'm gonna be getting it sandblasted and really powder coated, so it might be just this for a while, because we got other projects to catch up with, so I don't know. Clear coat will probably be better for it to help protect it, so we'll see. But we're getting closer to finishing.